The New Year celebrations have started on Rollercoin with the New Year celebration puzzle event, and we've also got the end of year race tournament that is now going on as well. Let's check it all out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Alright, it's been a big year and we're now at the end of it, but Rollercoin are going strong with the New Year celebrations. On my screen here you can see the Rollercoin homepage and you can see all that is going on at the top here, at the top banners. We've even got the New Year's Dawn bundles here, with Year's Dawn bundles going on as well. You can see at first glance we've got a race tournament that at the time of recording this video there are still 1 day, 4 hours and 8 minutes remaining. In order for you to join the race tournament you need to open a lucky loot box, or you can also win games, but you'll need to win 10 of them in order to join and be in the competition, okay? So you need to at least get to position 75 for you to be able to get some form of reward in this race tournament. If we go back to the very top of the list, we can see that Not Sergey is in first position at the moment. And Not Sergey, if this roller stays in first position, then the roller will get this Santa miner, which can be sold, and it will give 3.6 petahash per second. There is Crypto Cash at position 2 with the Kaosei Safi miner, which can't be sold, 3.3 petahash for this one, okay? So if you notice that the one in first position, that can be sold, so you can actually still buy this on the marketplace. Remember as well, you're getting some parts here and you're getting RLT as well. In first place, 10 RLT up for grabs there, and a single fan there. So and you get 8 rare fans here in second position with 5 RLT, 7 rare fans here in third position with 3 RLT, and there is also the Monia miner, which can't be sold as well, 2.8 petahash per second for EART if that roller remains in third position. So those are the main prizes in this New Year race that we have currently going on for the next day and 4 hours, okay? So remember that there is a lot going on at the moment. If you're going to be opening lucky loot boxes, there is that puzzle event and you'll be completing some of the tasks here as well. Like for example, open 3 lucky cases. These will all be eligible even for the race tournament when you're actually doing this. So you're technically getting double, even triple the rewards if you have a multiplayer, especially because there is still going on as well the Alien Year Celebration Progression event, which still has another 1 day and 4 hours remaining at the time of recording this video. So all in all, you might be actually getting triple rewards here, okay, at the end of the year. So we're going to go big. We're going to go out this year in style with a lot of power if you manage to get all of these rewards. So going back to the puzzle event here, we can see that in this puzzle event, if you get to 12 snowflakes, they look like little snowflakes. So number 12 here, this miner is very important. Shadow Grove miner is needed for the Frostival mega event for you to be able to craft the mega 60 petahash radiant core miner with 8% bonus power, because if you get the Shadow Grove miner, you'll be able to do that as well because it is the miner that you need. The other one is in the progression event like I've discussed in my last video, and you'll need that one as well, and you need to make sure that you have all of those 6 unique miners. More information is in that video that I have just mentioned that is coming up above my head at the moment, and also in the blog post that you can check out on Rollercoin from the last icon right here on the left hand side in the menu. You can check out all the details in the blog post there as well. Back to the puzzle event, here you can see that after 3 successful tasks have been completed, you will get some temporary power. We do not know how much it is not written. Another 3 on top of that and you will be able to get the sweet Noel miner, which can't be sold. It is 440 terahash in power. Another 3 on top of that, and you can get the Santa's Vault, which can't be sold, and this will give you a whopping 5.65 petahash per second, and this also has a 3% bonus attached to it, and you can see it is also one of the random pieces in the puzzle that you can receive as a reward as well. You can see it right here. So potentially if you get this after you complete 9 tasks, you'll be able to merge that with this one and get an uncommon Santa's Vault miner, which will give you even more power and even more bonus power. And we'll see that because this is at number 16. If you complete all the tasks, you'll be able to actually get the uncommon one here as well. Again, can't be sold, 14.8 petahash. That's awesome. So if you manage to get this one here from this piece and this one at the top as well, both those Santa Vault miners, and you merge them into an uncommon, merge those that uncommon with the other uncommon that you get at the very end of this puzzle event, and you'll get a rare Santa's Vault with even more than 14.8 petahash per second and even more bonus power as well. So that is something not to miss out on. The miner I've mentioned, the important one for the Frostival event, 7.5 petahash. This can be sold, so if you do miss out on this here in the puzzle event, you will be able to get it by purchasing it from the marketplace. But I would definitely, for the reasons already mentioned, with all that power you can get it from the puzzle event, because you'll be getting all of those rewards and not just that miner. So remember that. Other rewards you can get: 400 RST, 160 RST, Neon Blaze, Crypto Cook Bounder, Santa's Vault that we've mentioned. You get temporary bonus power here, 500 terahash for 7 days, and there are some with 250 terahash for 7 days as well. Another sweet Noel here, so if you get the one at the top, you can also merge that as well. Neon Blazes, there are 2, you can merge those as well. Crypto Cook Bounder, you can merge those 2 as well. Even more power, even more bonus power. 240 RST there as well, 600 RST there as well. So quite a lot going on, a lot to receive for very little. At the moment, when you do exchange your crypto to RLT, I would recommend doing that with Polygon Matic, okay? So for example, exchange 3 RLT, exchange 12 RLT, all of these, you've got up until exchange 114 RLT. Definitely go with the discounted one, which is at the moment Polygon Matic, 35% discount. So for example, if you exchange 114 RLT, then you would actually need, at the time of recording this video with this 35% discount, 171.15 Matic, as opposed to the normal price, which would be 263. Okay, so do take note of this because it is very important. Also, to make things even better, below this video there is a form that you can fill in. If you choose That Techo guy as your favorite YouTuber and you actually exchange from your Polygon Matic to RLT during the time that the discount is on, then you will be in the chance of getting back some of that RLT from me when depositing Matic and then converting it to RLT. Obviously, you need to follow the instructions in the form, which is in the description below this video. So do check it out for your chance to get some RLT back as well from me. And thank you for your support in advance as well, and I wish you the best of luck in all of these events. I would just like to go through the puzzle event tasks really quickly as well. They're pretty much very similar to previous puzzle events, but let's go through them quickly. Exchange 3 RLT, win 50 games, open 3 cases, merge 180 parts, and I'd just like to emphasize that the open 3 cases are the lucky cases and the lucky RLT cases, and not any of the other cases that there might be in the loot box section. Like for example, there was the Christmas loot boxes. Those do not count. It is the lucky RLT cases that count, okay? So merge 180 parts, exchange 12 RLT, win 100 games, open 12 lucky RLT cases, merge 380 parts, exchange 38 RLT, win 150 games, open 38 lucky RLT cases, exchange 72 RLT, win 200 games, open 72 lucky RLT cases, exchange 114 RLT, and open 114 lucky RLT cases. As you can see, if you get 200 games won, then you will have completed quite a few tasks already that will help you through the progression bar. Remember that for each and every task that you are completing, you are revealing a random piece, a random reward. Hopefully you'll get the Santa's Vault straight away if you're very lucky. I wish you the best of luck for that as well, because you can actually receive a great powerful miner even just by completing one task if you're ultra lucky. Very similar to when you open the lucky RLT cases and when you open parts cases. It depends on your luck, okay? So the most common ones would be the temporary bonus ones. You can see these ones in gold are less likely to be found, but it's still a possibility, okay? So I really hope that even with just completing one task, you'll be able to get the Santa's Vault, for example, which is the most powerful miner from the pieces here, okay? Remember, each task you complete, you're moving up one in the progression bar. And like I've mentioned, for every 3 that you complete, you'll get double the rewards, except from level 12 to level 16, where you'll need to complete the last 4 tasks there, okay? It's not 3, it's 4 tasks, okay? But again, you'll be opening more pieces as well in the meantime as well. Remember again, just as a reminder, that when you are opening those lucky RLT cases, you are also moving up in the leaderboard in the current race tournament that is going on as well. And don't forget about that discount. Utilize the discount, you'll be getting a higher multiplier for the current progression event that is still going on for another day, okay? Alien Year Celebration. So definitely remember all these little tips and tricks, because they will get you literally triple the rewards and loads of rewards, and even the other miner that you need, which is in the Alien Year Celebration progression event. Here it is, the Midnight Miner, okay? So just remember that you do need all of these miners. Check out the blog, okay? Just click on the blog, you go to the Frostival event, and you can check out all of the miners which are listed all here. Midnight Miner, Shadow Grove Miner, the ones that we've mentioned today, okay? And hopefully you've already got the other 4 for you to be able to do that craft. Confirmation here is that the craft will be done from the 30th of December to January the 3rd, okay? You can merge them into the Radiant Core Miner even from now, okay? This can be done from now. So if you manage to complete all of these today, you'll be able to do it. So the puzzle event did start yesterday, the 30th of December. So you could have actually started that craft straight away. And if we go to the crafting offer here, we can see the Radiant Core Miner is here, okay? And you can actually merge it. Now, depending on how fast you want it, you can actually spend some RLT or some dodge to get it even faster, okay? Just leave it for a day, okay? One day, waiting for that, and get those miners. So I still need to get 3 miners. I still need to also get the Chestnut Miner, which I can purchase from the marketplace, because I didn't manage to get that through the progression event that there was going on. So I'll be looking at getting that through the marketplace, but it is definitely worth it for 60 petahash per second, and at least I'll try and get the others from the events, okay? So good luck with all of that, and I wish you all a very happy new year and a prosperous and healthy one for next year, 2025. I thank you all for being here, and I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, it'll be next year. Take care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.